Number 7, we're asked to sketch a couple of graphs, and we just want to sketch one period of the graph, and then label appropriately. So let's see this first one. I want to sketch it. It's just your basic sine function, but that 2 in front is going to change the amplitude to 2, not negative 2. You know, we consider amplitude to be a positive quantity. So that just tells me I'm going to be going from -2 to 2 on my graph. And I do also have to flip it over because of the minus. So let's, one period sketch, I just need to go out to 0 to 2 pi, break that in half, break each of these in half, and that's your 4 quadrants. This is halfway, this is halfway again, and this is halfway between these two. So that's our standard, nothing changed, just our standard, where our standard quadrants land. And I just plot the sine function. Remember, sine's the one that starts at 0, and instead of going up to 1 at this first quadrantal angle, it's going to go down here to not 1 but 2 because of the amplitude, and then it comes back to 0, then it goes up to 2, comes back, and it would keep going if you were asked to sketch more than a 1 period sketch. But there's a 1 period rough sketch. Missed my points a little bit on both of these. Anyway, I'm not going to be that picky if it looks like sort of a sine function. And similarly, here we're asked to sketch 1/2 cosine. 1 period sketch of that. This time the amplitude is now a half. So when I mark this off, I'm just going to say on this axis that's a -1/2 and a +1/2, and then if that's 2 pi, nothing's happening to my quadrantal angles. They're just going to be broken up right like they right in the middle. Each of these, they're not altered at all, same quadrantal angles that I've had. And then I mark off cosine. Well, that cosine, remember, starts here, then it crosses, then it hits its low point at pi, comes back up, something like that. And so it's going to come through, make a curve. So it looks like a wave, not straight lines. Something like that would be a 1 period sketch, and then I could keep going if I were asked to sketch 2 cycles or 2 periods.